My name is the President of Zimbabwe Youth and Cultural Identity Enhancement Trust, which is the organizers of the Miss Fabulous Zimbabwe Beauty Pageant Show. And at Miss Fabulous Zimbabwe Beauty Pageant Show, we promote the girl child talents through breast cancer awareness campaigns, and we identified the talents and the girls aged between 16 to 35 of years in the modeling, art, and fashion industries. We annually do this show, which will be taking place on the 20th of October at Golden Peacock Hotel from 1700 hours to 2300 hours, where we are going to have the breast cancer awareness fundraising dinner, and also there will be a modeling competition whereby there will be the crowning of the Miss Fabulous Zimbabwe 2023 Queen. At the dinner, the gate entry will be the standard tables, standard tickets for individuals will be going for $45, and the VIP standard individual tickets will be going for $95, and the VVIP tickets for standard individual will be going for $115 United States dollars, and there are also corporate tables for 10, which is going for the standard table of 10, it is going for $350 US dollars, and the VIP table of 10 is going for $550, and the VVIP table of 10 is going for $700. As an organization called Zimbabwe Youth and Cultural Identity Enhancement Trust, we were touched of our mothers and sisters who were dying with breast cancer, not because of their want, but because of they didn't have knowledge to know more about the symptoms of breast cancer. So we have sat down and started doing the advocacy for breast cancer, starting from the district levels up to the national levels, whereby we do the breast cancer awareness through promoting the girl child talents, whereby we use the girl child talent. For example, our models advocate for breast cancer awareness through modeling. Our fashion designers advocate for breast cancer awareness through the fashion industry, and our arts girls also advocates for breast cancer awareness through the art industry, like music, poetry, short films, and so forth. So we do it 12 months from the month of November till the end of our year, which is October, where we do our annual show titled the Miss Fabulous Zimbabwe Beauty Pageant Show, whereby those who have succeeded from the district to the provincial level will be meeting and competing for the main winner at Golden Peacock Hotel. So, to all the corporate world and to all the individuals, to the survivors of the breast cancer, to those who are living with the breast cancer, we invite you to follow us so that you will learn more about this event. We have a program that we are doing of donating sanitary wares and clothing to the vulnerable communities across the Manicaland province and other provinces in Zimbabwe, which we do after the breast cancer awareness fundraising dinner, which I have said that it is going to start to be done at Golden Peacock on 20th of October 2023 from 1700 hours to 2300 hours, whereby those who are going to succeed to be the winners of this year of 2023, they are going to have a tour in the districts across our province, donating the sanitary ware, educating people about how to know and how to identify the breast cancer symptom. When we speak about breast cancer awareness, it is not all about the females, but it also affects the male. So when we are doing the breast cancer awareness education, we involve everyone so that iwe kana uri murume kana une hanzvadzi pauchadzwa zve-breast cancer ukazoona masymptoms ayaya kuna mai vako kana kuna hanzvadzi yako, you will be easily to know that I should approach the nearest clinic so that tiwane kubatsirwa nechekukurumbidza.